What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Appalachian Smokewagon. Thanks for clicking. As you can see, it's a nice day today in the West Virginia. So Gravy and I thought we'd come out and get a little bit of training in. Thought we'd bring you guys with us. It's about 60 degrees today. It feels like a heat wave. I'm so happy the weather's breaking. We'll probably still see a little bit of cold weather, but we got a little break here to get out and get some stuff done on my day off. So we're going to bring it to you. I'm going to take you over and show you a little bit of what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you, we got the BCM 14.5. That's what I'm going to be running. And we got Gravy's Troy Defense 14.5, pin and welded. He's got a hollow sun. Pretty much stock, other than, let's see, I think he just got a nickel bore on mil spec trigger. BCM charging handle, like I said, the hollow sun. That's about it. That's pretty much a stock rifle. I'm running the BCM with the War Comp, Troy Defense sights, EOTech, BCM Mark II recoil mitigation system, which I really like. I'm trying to get Gravy to get one and put on his rifle, because ARs don't really shoot hard at all. They already shoot soft, but if you add one of these, man, it makes such a huge difference. I do have a Geisley trigger and the Radiant Ambi safety. That's what we're going to be running today. We're going to do a cold start. We haven't shot anything, and I haven't shot rifle in I'm about embarrassed to say it, but probably in about 2 months. I did take the like the little pistol caliber carbine out and shoot it a little bit, but I haven't shot my AR in probably 2 months. I'll show you the little course of fire we got set up. Got a couple paper targets there, a little piece of steel right there, and then you can see it right there. That's about 100 yards. We got a piece of steel. So we're gonna do a cold start for you guys and show you guys how bad we suck or how good we do. I don't know.
That might just be him.
We'll see soon, because you guys are going to see it all. Thanks for clicking. Hit the subscribe button for me. Channel's growing slow, but it is growing. So thanks to all you guys who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, then smash that subscribe button. Do the YouTube things, you know. Thank you all. We'll be back with you in a minute. All right, here we go. We're going to get started. The targets I showed you, we're going to go 2 on each paper target, and we both agreed that the 9 ring is going to be considered the A zone on those targets. We're going to do 2, 2, 1 on each steel on the timer, see where we're at. I'm going to go first. Gravy's on the timer, so
Yep.
let me move y'all a little bit. And then we'll go a couple rounds, then we'll show you guys the targets, or maybe after each time, I don't know. We'll play it by ear. All right. I haven't shot this baby in a while.
I know, I'm ready to shoot mine.
Height over bore.
Yep.
Man, my EOTech was down low. I don't know why. Maybe I adjusted it when I was in the house. I don't know, but it was down low. All right. Let's do this.
Shooter ready.
Yes.
That brass started coming at me. I was like, oh.
948. Let's go look at the hits. I'm gonna pause you guys. I got to get a Sharpie. All right, we're gonna go look at the hits. I'll flip you. We anything in the 9 ring, we're gonna say is A zone. We got 2 there in the X ring. Got 2 here, and then I hit both steel. I think my time was trying to get where you can see it. 9:48. Gravy's gonna try his luck now.
No pressure.
We're gonna see what he can do. Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
948. Let's write that down. Get good hits, bro.
Yes, sir.
Remember your height over bore on that first target for sure. Do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
.925, but you missed.
2 on the steel.
You missed the long steel, the 100-yard steel. Your time was better than mine, but you missed. We'll go look at Gravy's hits. He was saying he was going to dust me.
Uh-oh.
He did get a better time than me. Oh yeah, look at that. You stacked those right on top of each other. Good shooting.
Thank you, sir. That second target was a little iffy. Both in, though.
Not as good as a group, but still both in. And then you hit the small steel and
Missed 2 shots on the long
you
steel.
missed 2 on the long. So I'm gonna run that one more time, try to speed it up a little bit. Man, this tag on.
Oh, no. That's poking me in the back of the head.
All right.
Shooter ready?
Yup. That one dinged the crap out of it.
Good time. 8.53.
8.53. Come up by about a second. I'm going to pause you guys and go look at the hits. I'll come back and report. All right, I had an 8.53. Speeded it up by about 1 second. We're going to let Gravy run again. And yeah, I had all A-zone hits. I did miss the long. The 100-yard on my first shot, drilled it on the second. Let's see what Gravy can do. Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
.730. Good shooting. My young son. 7.30. Like a 1.2 seconds faster than me. He's checking his hits.
All in.
All good hits. Good job, Gravy.
Thank you, sir.
All right, I gotta smoke you this time.
I don't know. That's a hard time to beat right there.
Got some wind blowing. Come on, go down. All right, we got a target malfunction. I gotta go do some staple
Target
work.
malfunction.
All right, we fixed the target malfunction. Gravy had a what, 7.30?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's get it.
Shooter ready.
Yup.
Woohoo! 5.51. Sheesh. Sheesh.
5.51. He thought he was doing something.
Uh-oh.
Go check the hits. I may be low on that farther target.
And all in.
All in. 5.51.
Ooh, almost twisted
Gravy's
my
got
ankle.
something to work for now. Think you can beat that?
Oh, I'm about to smoke.
5.51 for 2, 4, 5, 6 shots in 5.51 seconds.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
5.51, no pressure. .777.
One was probably out.
777. Which one?
This one here.
Low, high, what? Call your shots.
Yeah, it was out high.
High.
Yeah, right on the line. It wasn't a line breaker. It was like right here
So
on the
you
line.
missed one there and missed the steal.
Yeah.
So that's plus 2 seconds. So that makes it a 977.
Ah, that ain't good.
All right. I'm gonna run it one more time and give him a chance, one more chance, and then we may let him choose a scenario. All right, let's do it.
Shooter ready.
Yup. It would have been good if I wouldn't have missed that steal twice. This daggone stick.
I know. You seen what I had? You seen I had to do it too. I had to curve a little bit. Hell
let's
yeah.
get that out the way.
Gotta make sure you hit everything.
974, 2 misses on the steal. Yeah, check my paper. They felt good.
Yeah, you're all good.
Here, take this pen and mark your one that's out. I think that's the only one we've had out yet. Man, it feels good to have some warm weather, have the rifles out. This thing is shooting so soft. I'm gonna do a 1-year review on this BCM upper, coming soon in the next week or so. But spoiler alert, I really like it and haven't had any problem out of it. So, but still watch the video. All right, Gravy, time to beat still a 5.51.
Yep.
Let me check your mic. Make sure it's still on. Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Cool.
Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
You're out, bro. Why's your bolt locked to the rear?
Looks like I'm out of ammo.
You got one in your belt.
Okay. Just put this one up there.
You didn't feel your bolt locked to the rear? Like, once you keep shooting enough, you'll start to get to feel when you run. You'll feel when that bolt locks to the rear.
Right.
It's kind of plain. Man, when I was in Marlington yesterday for work, there was daggone 2 Chinook big military helicopters flying over. It was crazy.
God.
All right, shooter ready?
Yep. How did I miss?
696, even with a miss.
I know. I can't believe I missed that little still, dude. That thing's so
I know,
close.
check your paper.
God. I had a line breaker on this one.
No, that's on the
All those are in
the 9, not the X circle, the 9 circle.
Oh, yeah. I'm tripping. My bad.
Everything was in.
Yeah, everything's good.
He had a 696. He missed the small steel once, but still 696. So
Especially for a miss, that's not bad at all.
we'll run it one more time. Let me check my ammo.
Dang,
I'm running dry too.
Must be them 20 round mags I was loading.
You was just loading 20 in
Yeah,
them?
that's all I was loading.
All right, let's give it one more go. See if I can beat my 5.51.
Shooter ready?
Yup.
6.08.
That felt faster than the 5 run.
It was fast.
6.08. Check my hits. 6.08.
Everything in.
Everything's in. I missed. What did I miss? The steel the one time, or did I miss the small? I had one miss.
You did?
I thought I did.
I don't think you
have
did.
to watch the vid back.
I don't think you had a miss. Oh my gosh, you sick.
You want to run the same drill? You want to change it up?
2 in the 9. You know what I mean when I say that. One to the head. Switch over to that little the little steel.
So 2, 1, and 1.
Yep. On the closest one to
The closest one to us. What?
yeah, this steel, or not this steel, this paper.
To the chest.
Yeah.
2, 1 to the head,
And then 1 on the steel.
so 4 shots total. Okay. All right. Let's see if I can beat Gravy at his own drill. Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
.50. Check your hits.
All in.
You can see that far target.
No, I shot this one.
Oh, everything on the close one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you. Okay, gotcha.
No, but what you just said, that does sound nice though. Two to the body there and 1 on the head there.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
All right, we'll run it how I just ran it, then we'll do that next, because honestly that's better.
350. See if I can beat a 350.
Shooter ready?
Yup.
3.37. What was my time? I forgot.
350. 337. What do you want to do?
Same one, just on the head on the other paper.
Okay. I'm planning on getting a membership to a gun club this spring, so we should have a way bigger range to do this stuff on and actually get some movement involved. Here we're shooting into a bank and everything's safe, but having a real designated range, that will be nice, and that will be coming soon in springtime, so look forward to that. All right, let's go, Gravy. So 2 to the A zone, 1 to the head on the far target, and 1 on the steel.
Yes, sir.
All right. Come on, let me get some good hits. Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
.409.
Oh my gosh, I was right in the middle of that guy's head.
That paper target. Paper target, YouTube.
Oh yeah. True enough.
All right.
Shooter ready?
Yup. .394. 394.
That was low.
We're gonna wrap this up. Just wanted to come with a February cold start. Gravy and I was itching to get out and shoot some guns,
especially with the warm weather.
Especially with the warm weather. He's got to work this evening, so we're kind of limited for time. But thank you all for watching. Get out, train with your weapons, put up some ammo. Just do something every day that's gonna make you a better person, make you better at something. That's just a little advice I can give you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash the subscribe. You got something you want to say?
Yeah, I do. Keep one in the chamber, stay out of danger.
There you go. You heard it from Gravy Train himself. Thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Smokewagon out.